Now, speaking of blockchain apps, gonna change my content completely. We're now going to be a gaming channel, at least for this video. We are going to be playing Vibe or Die, a free-to-play FPS game where you can earn crypto tokens from kills and also lose them from deaths. Download link to it is down below if you're interested. A bit like Ready Player One, if you've ever seen that movie. This video is sponsored by the game's publisher, VibeHub. Let's get into it.
What was the limit?
Oh, it's 300. Yeah, that's what I think what we said.
Oh, I can only get 300 BNB, huh?
10 per kill and 300 total.
Oh crap. Just walked into a yellow ball.
I almost forgot you can shoot those things out.
I
now I'm
just
seeing them everywhere.
I choked somebody with my balls right now. I was just spamming
I
balls.
literally, I can't go anywhere because of these balls. Oh, I've never been in here. Hello. This is my room. This is my room. Stay out of my room, boy. Not welcome here.
Got him.
Kim, I'm just coming in to check on how your portfolio's doing, man.
No. I don't need any help. I don't need any courses. I don't need nothing. Oh, wait. What? No. You can't spawn in my row. So have you guys played Beat Saber on VR?
Oh, no, I haven't. It looks cool, though.
It's so good. Anyone else?
No, what is it called?
Beat Saber. It's literally the most popular VR game right now. I'm surprised, Matt, Alessio, you guys haven't played it. It's really good.
Yeah, we've been kind of stuck developing, stuff.
True.
One of the last ones that I really liked was the Bridge Crew.
Alessio.
Whoever killed me there.
Hey Cam, thanks for killing him.
You're
Alessio.
very welcome.
He was like camping behind me.
We both died.
What did I say? The one VR game that I really liked was what's it called? Super Hot.
Oh, that's really good.
It was perfect for VR. Like
I played that on the Oculus. It was really good, but on the Vive, I wasn't feeling it. The controls are different. Like I didn't really get the hang of it, but on Oculus it was amazing. I actually had a party, right, and one of the guys there was so into it that, like, this bit where you have to duck down real low or you'll cut your head off. He'd full on dive to the floor. He almost put a crack in our 4K, a brand new 4K TV, and he broke the headset after that. It just never worked after that.
See, that's where the VR market's gonna make its money, by breaking it and having to get a new one.
That's right.
Yeah, dude. I had a similar experience on Super Hot, where basically I'd been playing it for what I thought was like an hour and a half, and I got pretty far into the game. And I tried to duck down to lean into this like kind of cylinder brick for cover, and lo and behold, my brain was tricked into thinking that it was a real like physical barrier, so I was leaning on it and I almost fell over. And I was like, dude, like I finally get it now, and they say that you kind of, when you get into VR worlds, even though the graphics aren't real, you kind of get sucked into it.
Yeah,
your brain starts to adapt.
VR is a really good experience when they do it right. I understood why they call it Super Hot pretty soon after playing. It's like you get really, really hot. What?
Did you like rocket me or something? You killed me really
Yes.
fast.
Yes, I did. You got a problem with it? Well. Oh, did we kill each other?
Yeah, we killed each other.
I was gonna say, you couldn't have had much health left. You can't shoot me. I'm just watching all three of you guys shoot each other.
And I get this double kill.
Oh, I witnessed it all. I'm over here. There's someone underneath you. Oh, you can't get him though. I don't know how to get in there.
If you want to come and get
it. It's my room, boy. Oh. Damn it. I'm not prepared.
Come to the boiler room. I'm killing it over here. Once we
Boiler
start
room.
next.
We are in a boiler room.
The ultimate simulator.
Wait, I'm in a box. Oh wait, no, there's a door right there. Never mind. Okay, I need to prepare for DataDash coming around the corner, as he usually does. Oh, is that you? Is that you, boy? No, it is you, but it's not you.
No!
I just came through and crushed that real quick.
Oh, I like that the lights are turning on. The hallway's being lit up as I walk down it. Very nice.
Come on. Ah, you stole my kill, bro. I was gonna melee him. I was about to melee him. Why did you steal my kill?
I'm so sorry.
Ah, DataDash. I'm gonna like unfriend you on
Unsubscribe.
Facebook.
I'm gonna unsubscribe.
I'm gonna unsubscribe, man.
No! Oh,
Got it.
You know, sorry, I'll see you in the B&B back.
that's like the worst thing. Maybe you could actually leave a dislike on his latest video as well.
Ah, somebody double teamed here. Get the fuck out of here, guys. Fuck off.
Alright, I'm on a little killing spree right here.
Yeah.
Haha, we kill each other.
I'll take that.
That's not bad. High five, bro. Virtual
High five.
high five.
Yeah. Suicide pact.
I only had 4 health left after that. I was almost dead.
Oh man, that was like a... Wow. 3 people in one spot.
Oh, I got stuck on a pole or something.
Ah,
Got him, Nicholas.
Not me.
I think we should all just team up like that.
I'm trying
Play
to
backwards now, boy.
I'm literally just running off you guys. Left and right.
Uh-oh. Got a little light there for a second.
Ah,
Oh crap, I need to reload. I never need to
Joe
reload.
Daly went on a tangent.
I know, like,
13 kills. What?
None of them have been DataDash so far. My opportunity to kill my YouTube competitor.
Yeah, right.
Die. No.
Oh, shit.
Can we camp?
I don't think I've killed him once.
by the subways, there's transportation that you can also, like, jump on it and jump on it.
Oh, cool.
Oh, this is so cool. I just tried one. Watch this.
Oh, whoa, yeah, it does launch go. Damn it. Damn,
Just me
you
and
don't
you.
Damn, go damn right.
Oh, damn it. Die.
Ah,
It
no.
took forever to die.
How much are you up, Crypto Daily?
19 kills.
Yeah, but what's his, like, ratio?
I don't know what my rate. I think
Just look at
19
your
kills. I
body.
don't know how many deaths. I don't think it shows.
Well,
me.
what's your vibe balance at right now?
I just died. Oh, victory. Hey, 4,500.
So you
I'm
geez,
at
what a
26.
tear.
Wow. That's incredible.
That is.
So did I make like $30 or something?
You made something.
Made something.
Yeah, well, if whatever, what would that be? 1,500 vibe times 4 cents. So that'd be like $60.
Nice. Oh, what was that? I saw
Yeah,
that.
that's so good.
Oh.
We gotta get a competitive team together and like have a front runner advantage on the game. Gotta learn all like the movement mechanics and then we can go pro.
Sounds good.
Oh, I got shot.
Oh,
Guys,
come on.
you guys defeated me. That was like a
That
gangbang.
was cheap. He took my kill and then killed me on the bridge.
I'm having a horrible game.
Man, how do you shoot from so far away?
It's called like tapping, like a sniper.
I thought you were gonna say, oh, it's called skill. Just learn to play.
Oh, come on.
Called tapping.
I think the problem is I don't have my gamer mouse with me.
Oh, yeah,
My precision is not like.
yeah. I don't have my gamer glove on, so my precision isn't as good as,
Yeah.
as
Need
well.
your G Fuel.
My G Fuel. I have some of that stuff. I don't really drink it though. Certainly not for
Wait.
games.
So have you tried it before? Is it like good or?
It was alright. I mean, it depends. Like, compared to some energy drinks, it's much better. But compared to like Red Bull or something, I don't think it's as good.
Where's those shots coming from? Ah, they're down there.
Oh, oh.
Oh no.
Wow, I killed DataDash for like once out of 10 deaths by his hand. Still
Damn,
feels good.
I officially give. I used to see it and give all my vibe.
Man, there's some pushback with bullets. Like some physics.
I'm gonna AFK for like 2 minutes. See ya.
I will camp you. Well, that was crazy. I landed on my head.
I finally like got her up on the rock. It took me a few seconds.
Oh, can I sneak up on him? Can I do it? Can I do it? Yeah! Yeah!
I watched that whole encounter take place.
Who is shooting me over here?
I believe that is. Oh crap! Oh crap!
Oh my.
Ah, the reload, man. What was your health?
I'm at like 36 right now. This is probably DataDash behind that rock, huh?
Oh no! Oh no!
What? Oh, someone else. Fair enough. Fair enough.
Finally.
Fair enough. Oh,
Do some easy picking down here.
beautiful. Just saw all those bullets go into you.
You took my kill. That was my kill, man.
Oh dang!
Yeah. Oh crap.
Damn, it's on a screw right now.
I just got my glasses. You guys are fucked.
Crypto Daily, 16 kills.
Oh.
Wow.
Appreciate the charity, guys.
Oh,
No, us YouTubers are on hard times. Good game. That was
I'm
fun.
at 34. I'm actually
At
good.
least
It's like a bunch of campers, pretty much in this map. Who wants to run around the middle?
camping is technically profitable.
Yeah.
Like in this, just with like the crypto integrated, like it's definitely more profitable to be camping, I think.
Oh dang! Yeah, I definitely learned the machine characters much better.
Yeah.
Yeah, me too.
Oh, what the hell?
That's me.
Oh.
Go back finding me.
Where did the shots come from? Oh, he's dead. How did he die? Oh!
Melee.
No, no it wasn't. No, it wasn't. No, it wasn't.
Oh dang, we both killed each other.
Haha, melee, double melee.
Yeah!
Whoa! Dang. Did you use one of the explosive crates?
I did.
Oh, okay.
Oh, they do so much damage. They're OP.
OP barrels.
Hope you barrels were.
Ah.
At least you know what Crypto Daily does when he's not making videos.
I was about to say if YouTube doesn't work out, then yeah.
Okay. Well done for making it to the end of the video. Hopefully you enjoyed that, something a little bit different. Just want to go over a few things. If you wanted to get a game up and running yourself, let's look into how. So there is a Medium post linked below, a complete tutorial guide for Vibe or Die, how to install, how to fund your wallets, how to get it up and running. If you are interested as well, there is a VibeNet private chain explorer where you can see the transactions happening in the game. Now, 9 hours ago is when we played the game. You can see we played quite a few Vibe games. We also played some B&B games. I think in future, it will also allow any ERC20 token. I've been talking to the developers. They're not really looking for a coin pump. I mean, they're not going to say no to it, but they're really just looking for users on their platform to enjoy themselves. Also, interestingly, if you are a little bit more into it than your average user, you can sponsor a node. You can help facilitate the running of these games, and you can earn a portion of all transactions that happen in games for doing so. Okay, that's it from me. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again soon.